Hey, this is Johnny with Johnny's BMW DIYs. Today I'm installed a aluminum radiator in my E36 M3. Basically, I have deleted my fan. No fan in there. Going with this additive to keep it cool. I've used some other products in the past, and I've got a fan switch out of a 318 model, which kicks the fan on more often, keeps it nice and cool. So but basically this one has bolts instead of clips here, so you're gonna have to find yourself a couple short E10s. I did have to modify the fan shroud at the bottom because it wouldn't push down far enough, so I had to cut a little bit of plastic so it would tuck in, so everything would be nice and flush here, and that the bolts would go in good. I did use a zip tie. That's not recommended. You got your small bracket. Lost mine somewhere, but I've done this before. It does work because this isn't under a great deal of pressure. So what I'm going to do next is I'm letting the engine get up to temperature. I'm going to start bleeding. I've got this loose here. Car is on slight incline. I recommend jacking the car up to get the radiator this point to be the highest point on the vehicle, so all the bubbles come out. But once it gets up to temperature, I do have my heat on highest temperature so that the valve is open up against the firewall, allowing all the coolant to circulate through the heater core, so that you allow all of the air that's in the system to be bled out. So we're going to wait until we start to see bubbles. I'm going to keep it topped off during this time. I'm going to constantly keep it 50-50 mix topped off to the top, because it's going to start coming out of here. We're going to get a lot of air bubbles. You're going to need a container underneath to catch a little bit of coolant overflow, but you need to waste a little to get all the air out.